Hey guys, this is your stylist here. Uh, I'm just gonna prepare you to talk about um, what I'm pretty much gonna do in the starting. In my next video, I'm gonna show I'm having fun in school. Yeah, and it's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do some awkward things in public, and then yeah, I'm gonna play with my friends and show you how it looks like. We're gonna do knock and ginger on another friend's house, but he really can get pissed off. One time, yeah, one time we were playing here, and me and my friends we were knocking at the door, and my cousin was just kicked at the door, and then we just started run, and then that our friend's dad, he's so fat and big. He came out like this. And we were trying to run, and then one of our friends, he was like, "Oh wait, I got my knife. I can shank him. And we're like, "Dude, you mad or something?" And then he came, and we started running. And he was like, "Come near me, I got my knife." And our friends that he was like coming against him, and he was starting to run. Yeah, and then I hide in their apartment, and then the old fat man just went his way. But yeah, it was a pretty crazy story. And we threw, the mailbox. Yeah, we threw some bangers in there. We threw some bangers, and the mailbox were messed up. Yeah, but I'm gonna do some awkward things and show you around here in Sweden, so enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, stylish hair. And peace. Hey, don't forget eye contact.